Hey guys, it's Poochie. I'm working in the studio today. I am doing YouTube videos and TikTok videos and also working on Amazon, some eBay. I bought a few huge collections of Legos. I mean, this room is full of Legos, bins of Legos, and then a huge hoarder's collection of clothes. So we're gonna have that soon on WhatNot. But I wanted to talk to you a little bit about WhatNot and some suggestions that I have for doing WhatNot right. So the thing with WhatNot is, unless you have a huge following, don't start everything at $1. Start at what you're comfortable selling it for. You don't have to ask, you know, if something's worth $50 or would sell for $50 on eBay or elsewhere. You don't have to ask $50. You say, if I sell it now, I'm fine selling it for 30 or 35. Then start it at 30 or 35. Do not sell things or open auctions for less than you want to sell things for. That's a big tip on WhatNot. Another thing that some people say on WhatNot is make sure that your shows are all prepared, all your items are photographed, measured, etc. No. Unless you have a huge following of people and they are all buyers, you don't want to do that. There's no need to do that. If you're going to do that, you would want to do it on a platform where you're more likely to get a bigger payout. So if you're going to sell something on WhatNot and it's going to sell for $10, okay, on eBay you would make $20, okay? It's worth going to that extra effort for eBay because you're going to get more return on your product, on your investment. Your return on investment, your ROI, is going to be a lot bigger on eBay. You might have to keep the item longer, but your return on investment is going to be a lot bigger on another platform than a live auction like WhatNot, most likely. Another thing is the giveaways. Okay, so the giveaways are okay, but I don't really find them necessary. If you have good products and you're selling them, you don't need to give people things for free. And if you do, you certainly don't need to give people things that are $50 or $100, unless you're trying to just get a lot of people into your stream. But unless you have a large following, chances are people are going to come to your stream and try to win the giveaway, but really nothing else. Now, speaking as a buyer on WhatNot, I'm going to tell you what I really don't like when sellers do. So I'm one buyer. I spend a lot of money on WhatNot. My ID is Real Poochie, and I'm going to tell you what I don't like when sellers do. I don't like it when they piss around because I'm there to spend money. When they are consistently like taking requests and stopping what they're doing to take requests, or they're saying, you know, hey, let me know if you want me to put something up. No, you're there to auction, you're there to sell. I used to be a professional auctioneer, actually, and you're there to auction, you're there to sell, you're there to sell your products. You can talk with people. That's what I love about WhatNot. You talk with people, you get to know people, but when you're a seller, you need to move product. That's what you're there for. You're not there just to, you know, hang out and not do anything. I'm constantly irritated when I go into a stream when there's a lot, or a show, when there's a lot of things that I'm interested in, and the seller is just pissing around, taking forever, like 8 minutes to sell an item, you know, oh, I'll go find that, I'll be back. And then they just leave and your screen is completely empty with their backdrop and you're like, what's going on here? Another thing as a buyer that I really hate and I will never ever do is, hey, we're gonna give away this item. We're just waiting to get 100 people. As soon as we get 100 people, as soon as we get to 50 people, as soon as we get to 20 people in the giveaway, then we'll give it away. And it takes forever. It takes forever. Say in 10 minutes, we're gonna do the giveaway. In 5 minutes, we're gonna do the giveaway. In 1 minute, we're gonna do the giveaway. Tag your friends if you want people to be entered in the giveaway, or come in and enter themselves in the giveaway, whatever, right? People have to follow the seller in order to enter the giveaway. So a lot of sellers do this to get their numbers up. But as a buyer, it's so freaking irritating to just wait and wait and wait and wait for something to be given away when I'm just there to buy, man. I'm just there to buy. So I hope these tips helped you. If they do, make sure to give us a like, a love, or a thumbs up, whatever, and subscribe for more like this. Remember, on WhatNot, I am real Poochie.